So y'all remember our chicken from the other day that we took care of. Now we're gonna cook them up. So I'm going down with a block of some hickory wood. Gonna surround it by some charcoal with a little tumbleweed in there. Set that thing off. And here goes old boy. Fed into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. They look so much bigger with feathers. But as you can see, this is still the size of a regular chicken. So, just gonna get them about this thing and do what we do best. Cook them up. And did find a few feathers that we missed the other day, so we went on back in and pull all them feathers off that we had to find. And then we're gonna take this baby and gonna break that chest bone right there, or sternum or whatever, so we can finish our spatchcocking process. And once we got it flat enough, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that M9 dry rub season is what we're gonna season it with today. Come on, man, you got it flat enough. Come on. I couldn't remember which way the legs went, but they go in. So yeah, now we're gonna heat it with the M9 dry rub seasoning all over. Season that baby down with a good amount, not high in sodium. And so we good on that portion, but high in flavor. And we turn that baby on the back and season that back shot, hit it with the back shot. All right, now we're taking this baby out to the grill. So the grill's ready. We're not gonna put it directly over the coals. We're gonna sit off here to the side where it's an empty space at, because you don't want it to cook too fast on the outside and burn, then the inside still be undone. So we're just gonna put it in on this back first. And we're just gonna put it in there for about 10-15 minutes. I had me some chicken legs that day, so I went on and put them babies out there with the same seasoning, cook them up at the same time. All right, so about 10-15 minutes later, excuse me, the little baby girl had the camera. We just gonna flip that whole chicken over. It's cooking up nicely. Flip over the rest of the chicken. Try to get a shot on top of it. That's what we're looking like. About another 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes total. So it's about 25-30 minutes on the total cook. Flip that baby back over, and then we're gonna cover this thing in that M9 barbecue sauce, head to toe. You don't miss no pieces. Yeah, I know y'all see them couple legs over there burnt. That's all good. They got ate up anyway. This is how you dress a bird. And then just about 5 minutes or so later, just to get that smoke flavor, and we done. Didn't get a shot eating it. It was good in flavor. It was a little tough, I believe, from our storing, but we'll try it again later.